Only issue I'm seeing is this right here. I believe this goes behind this piece, but got a big gap here. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight's video may be kind of short. It's pretty late and I gotta go to work in the morning. It's also about between 20 and 30 degrees out here, it feels like. So, gonna make it short. We're gonna be working on the door pillar. I wanna blow the passenger side apart since it's not level, it rocks. And if we get it apart, then we'll go ahead and mock it up on the kick panel over here. Just see if the little flange needs to be bent in or out, and just see if it sets I guess square with the kick panel. I think the big problem is the back side of it, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But anyways, we'll drill out spot welds and mock it up. I think if I get that far, then I'll be doing pretty good for tonight, because like I said, it is super cold out here and my hands are already starting to hurt. So let's get over there and I'll show you what we're gonna do. My main goal tonight is to make that one look like this one. This is the passenger side that we're gonna be putting on the Bronco. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, you can probably know why we're taking it apart. You can see that's flat with the back. See the back completely flat against the table. And I can stick my fingers underneath it all the way to the knuckle. If I make that flat, there's still a little bit of gap there. But I can do the same thing on this back side. So when they welded it in, they messed up, I guess. But we're gonna be, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 22 spot welds holding this together. And you can kind of see where it's kind of indented. I'm gonna be going through here and try and get those all drilled out. And hopefully it'll look like this one when we're done. Should have just got the 2-piece. I wouldn't have to worry about this problem. But it is what it is. We're gonna take this one apart tonight. we got these apart, and we didn't actually go through the outer rocker, or not the rocker, but the outer skin of this door pillar, which is good. I think I'm going to mock it up here and see how far is off from being square. Got a feeling it's going to be leaning back, but we'll put it up here and see. Okay, we kind of got it somewhat in place. Only issue I'm seeing is this right here. I believe this goes behind this piece, but got a big gap here. And let's see if this I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Too much space in here, I think. Let me know if I got this right or wrong. I think that's how it goes. I feel like this needs to go up and in some more. Which this could go in a little bit. That to me looks a little better, but I know it's not right because this is all the way against that. So if y'all have any ideas on how to correct this, let me know. But I can't tell if it's straight or not. And the kick panel needs to move back some more. Because I'm thinking it needs to go back. It needs to come this way. Maybe if I move it back, he'll fit better. I don't know. Your thoughts on this whole mess right here, please let me know. Glad we got it blown apart though. Not sure which one's the problem, if it's this piece or this piece. But anyways, we kind of got her pinned up there a little bit. Figuring we have a lot of issues with that. But yeah, give me your thoughts on this, what I need to do. If it looks straight to y'all, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, let me know what you think. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's really cold out here and really late. So it's pushing 1 o'clock, so been out here longer than I thought I would. But at least we got that torn apart. I know I'm gonna have problems on this. If y'all done the door post before, please let me know how you did it. Just think it's gonna be another drawn out process trying to get it fit right. hopefully that don't put us behind on the milestone to have this done by the end of February. But we'll come back to this, and we got to finish doing the floor through here. But anyways, thank you to my new subscribers. It really does mean a lot. I think we're one away from having 200. I never imagined it would be that high. But thank you. It really does mean a lot. It really helps the channel out and helps me get people to look at this and tell me what I'm doing wrong. But if you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're going to be working on the Bronco, trying to get it restored from the ground up and drive it, hopefully within a few years. But, so please like,